a very important organ requiring detoxification today especially would be the RESPIRA Lung Cleanse and Restore. And this product has been specifically formulated to cleanse and repair the lungs, to prevent infections, during infections and post-infections, to clear away the lesions and the scarring. So we have a whole host of products here. Some of them are mucolytics, will help they will help lubricate the lung mucosa lining, and such as Irish moss, etc. Some of them, bee pollen, will activate oxygen in the area. Cordyceps will do the same thing. And we've also got MSM, which works very well. We've got a phyto C. The phyto C ingredients are in this product, which has got 12 antioxidants. The lime's gold ingredients are also in this product to help fight and ward off severe infections such as mycoplasma, TB, pneumonia, COVID. I would strongly suggest, though, if you do have a very severe lung infection, that you do use an oxygen product and that you use a flaxseed oil and the parasite cleanse. You could use lime's gold together with this. You could also use iodine together with this to annihilate the parasite on impact. Almost gold will annihilate on impact, iodine will annihilate on impact, oxygen will annihilate on impact. And then I would use the replica RNA and DNA also for scarring and to repair the lung tissue.